Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are tackling a topic that makes many people confused. WordPress.org versus WordPress.com. They look similar. The name sounds almost the same, but they are actually quite different. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits for you and why so many professionals from small bloggers to big agencies love to using WordPress.com. So let's clear up first the basic thing. WordPress.org is the place where the free and open source WordPress software lives. So you can download it and you can use it with your own hosting. It's powerful, but you are in charge of everything: hosting, updates, backups, security, all of it. Other side, WordPress.com is a managed hosting platform. That means they take care of the hosting, the updates, the security, and even the backups. So you can focus on your content and your business instead of worrying about the tech side. Now, here is the big things a lot of people don't realize. WordPress.com is not just for beginners. Plenty of big websites, agencies, and businesses use it because it saves them time, reduce the headache, and lets them focus on growth instead of maintenance. So if you choose the business or e-commerce plan on WordPress.com, you can install any plugin you want, you can use custom theme, and you can able to fully control and the design and functionality of your site. In the other words, you still get the creative freedom people love about this WordPress.com. Now you can do it without having to manage server, without worry about security patches or set up complicated backups. And since it all hosted on their infrastructure, your site is fast, secure, and reliable right out of the box. Now let's talk about how they are different. Both can get you to your destination, but one gives you more time and energy to focus on what matters most: your content and your audience. So if you are someone who loves tweaking every detail and handling the technical stuff yourself, then WordPress.org could be the thing for you. But if you would rather skip the technical course and still have the flexibility to create exactly what you want, then WordPress.com is a no-brainer. Now, it works for beginners, sure, but also for serious professionals, agencies, and anyone who values their time. So that's the real difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com, and this is why so many people choose the managed hosting route, because they don't want to do the technical stuff. Now, if you are ready to build a site without the stress of managing it, WordPress.com has you covered. So if you want to focus on your content and business, let a team handle all the hosting, security, and technical work, then WordPress.com is your best choice. So that was the video for today. I have talked about the differences, pros, and cons of WordPress.org and WordPress.com. Whichever you choose, both are powerful tools that can help you to build an amazing website. It just depends on whether you want to full control or a managed hosting solution that lets you focus on what really matters: your content. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.